What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And today in this video I'm going to show you some of the best places, or actually in my opinion this is probably the best place, me personally, to stake your either A, Cardano, band chain, or even your Algorand. And let me go ahead and show you guys how to do this now. This is called Atomic Wallet. Atomic Wallet is cool because yes, it's your keys, and yes, it's your crypto. Alright, so let's go ahead and show you guys how to do this now. So, by the way, guys, if you guys are new to the channel and you guys want to stay ahead of the game, and if you guys want to be randomly selected to earn $100 in BTC at the end of each month, well, I need you to like, subscribe, and hit that comment or bell notification and leave a comment below saying you subscribe, and you'll automatically be selected, someone will be selected at random to earn $100 in BTC. All right, let me show you guys how to do this now. So currently I'm staking my Algorand, Cardano, and Band on Atomic Wallet, and I am very happy with it. Let me show you guys how to do it. So first, you go to staking. So right now, Cardano, guys, if you are staking your Cardano here, it is going to take about 20 days for your first reward to show up. But once it starts showing up, you can automatically claim it at any time and restake it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that now. So it's going to charge me a network fee of this. Okay, awesome, great. Now let's go ahead and put it in. Just to show you what the notification looks like, there's going to be a section that says, look, you got to wait 20 days to receive your first reward. So do keep that in mind. So we are going to claim this Cardano. So I'm going to hit claim and enter my password. All right, so I automatically claimed it and it went to automatically stake. So now I am restaking my stake to earn more interest on my stake because I like stake. Now if I refresh my wallet or log back out, log back in, I can see I automatically restaked my Cardano. Now why do I like staking Cardano on Atomic Wallet? Well, first off, it's really simple and easy to do. Yes, there are some other wallets that you can use, but me personally, I like the UI of Atomic Wallet, and it's a lot more easier, if that's a word, or it's more easy to stake your Cardano here, and I like the UI better, just me personally. So you guys just saw how I claimed the rewards and staked. It was that easy. So now I'm going to show you guys Band. So Band, I currently make sure whenever you claim rewards that you keep a small amount of Band when you restake. So currently I have a staked amount of 101. I have 49.99 available, and I have a reward that I need to claim. So I'm going to go ahead and claim this. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. What's cool about Atomic Wallet, it only charges you like 0.000. Well, that's just across the board. That's just what the Band network fees are. But it's like crazy cheap. It's 0.0001 Band tokens to claim that reward. And I'm going to claim it now just to show you guys. It takes a few seconds, maybe like 15-20 seconds, but the claim eventually goes through. So now that claim went through, now what you need to do is, if you're looking to stake the rest, you literally hit this stake button, and it allows you to stake the Band that you want to stake. Oh, and just so you guys can see, the claim finally showed up. It takes a bit. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to stake the Band now since it's already showed up. But I'm going to do 50.5. That way I still have 0.22 left in my wallet. So I'm just going to go ahead and stake 50.5, and this shows my yearly earnings, and this shows the network fee. So I'm going to go ahead and pay this, and I'm going to type in my password. And another thing, guys, I forgot to mention to you, the reason why I like using Atomic Wallet over Coinbase or any of the staking is because the rewards are actually higher for Band on Atomic Wallet. So like if you use Cosmos Station, it's like 12%. If you're using Algorand on Coinbase, it's only like 4.7%. You actually get 7.2% staking Algorand on Atomic Wallet. So keep that in mind, guys. I do like more rewards. Rewards are always better. Do be aware when you stake your Band tokens that they are going to be locked for a 21-day holding period. So do keep that in mind, guys. Whenever you look to unbond or withdraw your tokens, you're going to have a 21-day period. And keep this in mind, guys. A 0.0001 band network fee does always apply on every transaction and every claim. So make sure you leave at least 0.5 band or 0.25 band just in your wallet for claims and whatnot. So just keep that in mind. That should be sufficient. Now, the third token I really like to use for, sorry if you guys hear my bird, he's going nuts and ham, man. The third token I like to use is Algorand. Now, why do I like staking Algorand on Atomic Wallet? Well, first part I like about Algorand is it's automatic. Yes, they do have this on Coinbase where you can automatically stake it, but the reason why I don't like Coinbase is not your keys, not your crypto. So at any time, Coinbase can lock down your account and be like, bro, sorry, we can't help you. Now with Atomic Wallet, it's your keys, your crypto, you do what you want. So what I do is I put some of my Algorand over here and I allow staking to occur on Algorand through Atomic Wallet. And it automatically accrues interest. All I got to do is deposit at least one Algorand and it's all automatic. If I ever want to withdraw it at any time, I can withdraw it at any time I want. That's the same thing with Cardano as well. So if I ever want to send it, there is only a 0.001 algo network fee. So super cheap, not even expensive at all. That's just the Algorand network. That's how it is. They charge like no fees on it, so it's awesome. But anyways, that's the third token I love to stake on Atomic Wallet. So that's Atomic Wallet in a nutshell. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And you have the chance to be randomly selected to get $100 in BTC. Just be sure after you like, comment, or like, subscribe, bell notification, make sure you leave a comment saying you subscribed, and that will automatically entitle you to be in the drawing once a month. And we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 26 verses, what is it, guys? 9. Like a thorn bush in a drunkard's hand is a proverb in the mouth of a fool. Well, first off, we know a thorn bush is dangerous, and so is a drunkard with a thorn bush. That's even worse. So a proverb in the mouth of a fool, that would also be dangerous, guys. So do keep that in mind, guys. Be safe, be wise. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.